Good day, guys. Question 41, UTME 2014. The short-run average variable costs of a firm will rise owing to the short-run average variable cost of a firm will rise owing to option A, the building of new warehouses. Option B, an increase in cost of labor. Option C, an increase in the salaries of directors. Option D, the expansion of factory space. This question can be seen in theory of costs. And under theory of costs, you need to understand that we have short-run costs and long-run costs. And this question is testing understanding of average variable costs. Average variable cost is the variable cost incurred per unit of commodity produced. And you need to know what variable costs are. Variable costs are costs that change with the level of output. They are costs that respond to output level. So the variable cost per unit is referred to as average variable cost. An example of variable cost is cost of labor, which is salaries and wages, cost of raw materials, and the likes. Let's look at the options. Option A, building of new warehouses. Building of new warehouses as option A means that you have to build a warehouse. And when a firm builds new warehouse, it means that the fixed cost, the productive capacity of the firm is increasing, which means the firm does not have fixed inputs anymore, which means there are some factors of production. All the factors of production are now variable, which means the firm is now in the long run period. All right, and we are looking at short run period because the short run cost. They say short run average variable cost because the costs that occur in the short run. So option B, an increase in cost of labor. When you increase the amount paid to labor, that's what we mean by increasing cost of labor. Option C, an increase in salaries of directors. So amount paid to directors is what we're talking about here. Option D is expansion of factory size. If the factory size is being expanded, it means that you are adding to the value of the factory size, which means the firm is no longer in the long run. The firm is no longer in the short run. The firm is now in the long run because the firm has increased its productive capacity. From this explanation, I can extract two options that are wrong. Option A and option D are totally wrong because option A and option D will put the firm in the long run period, and we are looking at a short run average variable cost. Option B and option C, we have correct answer and we have a conflicting answer. So option C is a conflicting answer because an increase in salary of directors. Directors are administrative personnel. So salaries paid to directors are seen to be fixed costs because administrative salary is an amount that does not change as output change. Irrespective of the output produced, irrespective of the level of services rendered, the amount of salary paid to directors is constant, is fixed. So option B, increase in the cost of labor. When we talk about cost of labor, we are talking about amount paid to casual workers. So the higher the output produced, the higher the amount you pay to casual workers and vice versa. So an increase in cost of casual labor will increase the average variable cost of a firm. So the correct option is option B, which is an increase in the cost of labor. Thank you.